How to change language on Facebook app. So if you want to change language on Facebook app, then first you need to open up your Facebook. Once you open up your Facebook, now you need to make sure that you have logged into your account and go for the upper right, which has that three-dot icon. And here you need to scroll down, and here you will have the option of see more. Tap on see more and scroll down again, and here you may have an option of globe. So if you don't have the globe shaped icon, then simply tap on settings and privacy, and here you will have that option. So tap on the globe shaped icon or the language option. Once you tap on language, here you will have all of the languages, and you can simply select any language that you would like to change your Facebook. So for example, I'll be choosing a language. Once you've chosen, just wait for some minutes or a few seconds, and then your language will be changed. And if you want to again change your language, again go for the settings and privacy, and then go for the language option, and again choose the language that you would like to change. And that's it. That's how you can change your language on Facebook app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.